Hello students, myself Subhas Misra. Today I am going to conduct your bio-practical class. Students, since it is my first video for you, therefore in this video, first of all we will discuss about the syllabus of the practical, and later on then we will discuss all the practicals. Students, your syllabus comprise 4 sections, that is part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4. Part 1 comprise introduction, part 2 core experiments, part 3 experiments based on spotting, and for part 4 investigatory projects. Now the part first, introduction, there you are introduced with the chemicals, instruments used and the techniques adopted. In core experiments, you are going to perform all the experiments which are in your syllabus. Experiments for spotting, there you are going to observe different spots. Now in the last part, investigatory projects, there you will be given some investigatory projects on which you have to work. So now in second part, the core experiments, that we used to start. Students, this is all about your syllabus. For your convenience, I will provide you the PDF also. Now, students, you know very well that last year you have performed the experiments in different steps. Similarly, this year you will also again perform the experiments by following the same steps. I think you are aware with those steps, but again I am going to remind you. That steps are, first of all you used to write the aim of the experiment, then material required, then theory or principle, after that procedure, then observation or observation table, then result, and after that precaution. After syllabus, then we will start the experiment. Students, your first experiment is related with pollen germination. So if we are going to write down the aim of the experiment, then the aim of the experiment is to study pollen germination on a slide. This is the aim of the experiment. Now material required for the experiment are, you require a fresh seasonal mature flower, as I have a flower in my hand, you can see this is the flower of hibiscus. Then you need cavity slide. Actually this is a plain slide, since I don't have the cavity slide here at home. In cavity slide there is a cavity in between the slide. So you need a cavity slide, then we need a brush, we need a needle, we need nutrient medium in which we used to dust the pollen grains. Now, nutrient medium, we used to prepare it in the lab. Raw materials needed for nutrient medium are sucrose, boric acid, magnesium sulfate and potassium nitrate. We used to take 10 gram of sucrose, 10 gram boric acid, 30 milligram magnesium sulfate and 20 gram potassium nitrate. We need a beaker. Instead of beaker, I have taken glass. There we take 100 ml of water. Now in this we will mix whole of the chemical material which we have taken in this container containing water, and then we will mix it with glass rod. After mixing it with glass rod, then we will heat it, and for that we need spirit lamp, wire gauze, tripod stand and matchstick. When we heat it and all the contents mixed up properly, then stop the spirit lamp and filter the solution and keep it for the experiment. So in this way you have written aim of the experiment and material required. Now theory. So for theory we will watch next video. Thanks.